Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to English Guide Friendly. I am Tom. Do you know what stops most people from speaking English fluently? It's not grammar. It's not vocabulary. It's fear. The fear of making mistakes. The fear of what others will think. But today, we will break that fear together. You don't need big grammar books. You don't need fancy words. You just need simple, daily English sentences. Sentences that you can use every single day, at home, in school, in the office, with your friends, or even with strangers. And today, I will teach you 100 daily use English sentences in the easiest and most natural way, like how we learned A for apple when we were kids. So, my friends, don't just listen, speak with me. After every sentence I say, you will repeat after me, okay? Imagine I'm sitting with you, like a friend, teaching you from the heart. Are you ready? Let's begin your English journey today, from shy to confident, from silent to fluent. Now repeat after me, loudly, proudly, and happily. Daily routine sentences. Morning to night. Good morning. Repeat after me. Good morning. I wake up early in the morning. Repeat. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. Repeat. I take a bath. I get ready for school. Repeat. I get ready for school. I eat my breakfast. Repeat. I eat my breakfast. I go to school. Repeat. I go to school. I study in class. Repeat. I study in class. I talk to my friends. Repeat. I talk to my friends. I play with my friends. Repeat. I play with my friends. I come back home. Repeat. I come back home. I do my homework. Repeat. I do my homework. I eat my dinner. Repeat. I eat my dinner. I go to sleep. Repeat. I go to sleep. Now say it with confidence. This is my daily routine. Sentences for home use. Come here. Repeat. Come here. Go there. Repeat. Go there. Sit down. Repeat. Sit down. Stand up. Repeat. Stand up. Open the door. Repeat. Open the door. Close the door. Repeat. Close the door. Switch on the light. Repeat. Switch on the light. Switch off the fan. Repeat. Switch off the fan. Clean the room. Repeat. Clean the room. Don't shout. Repeat. Don't shout. Be quiet. Repeat. Be quiet. Wash your hands. Repeat. Wash your hands. Let's eat together. Repeat. Let's eat together. I am hungry. Repeat. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Repeat. I am thirsty. Sentences for school. I am going to school. Repeat. I am going to school. The teacher is teaching. Repeat. The teacher is teaching. May I come in, ma'am? Repeat. May I come in, ma'am? Please give me a pen. Repeat. Please give me a pen. Can I go to the washroom? Repeat. Can I go to the washroom? I don't understand this. Repeat. I don't understand this. Please explain it again. Repeat. Please explain it again. I finished my homework. Repeat. I finished my homework. Let's go to the playground. Repeat. Let's go to the playground. The bell has rung. Repeat. The bell has rung. Class is over. Repeat. Class is over. Sentences for office. I am going to the office. Repeat. I am going to the office. I am busy right now. Repeat. I am busy right now. Please send me the report. Repeat. Please send me the report. I'll call you later. Repeat. I'll call you later. Let's have a meeting. Repeat. Let's have a meeting. I agree with you. Repeat, I agree with you. That's a great idea. Repeat, that's a great idea. Please wait for a moment. Repeat, please wait for a moment. I'll do it right now. Repeat, I'll do it right now. Thank you for your help. Repeat, thank you for your help. Hey, what's up? Repeat, hey, what's up? Nothing much, just chilling. Repeat, nothing much, just chilling. How are you doing? Repeat, how are you doing? I'm doing great. Repeat, I'm doing great. Let's go out. Repeat, let's go out. I'm feeling bored. Repeat, I'm feeling bored. Come on, let's go for a walk. Repeat, come on, let's go for a walk. Really? That's amazing. Repeat, really? That's amazing. Don't worry. Repeat, don't worry. Everything will be fine. Repeat, everything will be fine. Sentences for emotions and feelings. I am happy. Repeat, I am happy. I am sad. Repeat, I am sad. I am tired. Repeat, I am tired. I am excited. Repeat, I am excited. I am nervous. Repeat, I am nervous. I am angry. Repeat, I am angry. I am scared. Repeat, I am scared. I am proud of you. Repeat, I am proud of you. That's so funny. Repeat, that's so funny. I love this. Repeat, I love this. Polite and everyday expressions. Thank you so much. Repeat, thank you so much. You're welcome. Repeat, you're welcome. Excuse me. Repeat, excuse me. I'm sorry. Repeat, I'm sorry. No problem. Repeat, no problem. It's okay. Repeat, it's okay. Please come in. Repeat, please come in. Have a seat. Repeat, have a seat. Take care. Repeat, take care. See you soon. Repeat, see you soon. Everyday general sentences. What's your name? Repeat, what's your name? My name is Rahul. Repeat, my name is Rahul. Where are you from? Repeat, where are you from? I'm from India. Repeat, I'm from India. What do you do? Repeat, what do you do? I'm a student. Repeat, I'm a student. I'm learning English. Repeat, I'm learning English. That's great. Repeat, that's great. Please help me. Repeat, please help me. Sure, why not? Repeat, sure, why not? Let's start now. Repeat, let's start now. Sentences for daily practice. Let's revise quickly. Repeat after me loudly. I wake up early in the morning. I go to school. I eat my breakfast. I'm hungry. Please open the door. Don't shout. May I come in, ma'am? I'll call you later. That's amazing. I'm proud of you. Thank you so much. Take care. See you soon. Beautiful. You did it. My dear friends, you just spoke 100 English sentences today. You didn't just listen, you spoke. And that's what real learning is. Always remember, English is not a subject. It's a skill. You don't learn it by reading, you learn it by speaking. Every single day, practice these small sentences. Say them while brushing your teeth, while walking, while eating dinner. Make English a part of your daily life. Even if you make mistakes, don't stop. Mistakes mean you're learning. Confidence means you're growing. And one day, people will say, "Wow, you speak so well." So promise me, from today, you will speak one new English sentence daily. Say it with me. I can speak English. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe for the next lesson. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning, and remember,